Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pay with Apple Pay on websites on iPhone 17. If you'd like to use Apple Pay on websites, you can do it very simply. And in order to do it, you'll need to make a purchase first. So I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna get back to you when it's done. Okay, for some reason I was unable to use Apple Pay on Amazon, but it doesn't really matter. I went to Nike website, and now there's an option to do express checkout, or you could, instead of express checkout, just use Apple Pay at payment. And now there's gonna be a little bit of a difference between that. An express checkout option will automatically fill in all the delivery data about you, so you don't need to enter it manually, and it's available on Apple Pay. So as long as you have your delivery details entered, you will be able to use it. Let's click on that. You can see I would need to update my delivery contact and my postal address. So let's do it. Let's click here and select a phone number. Approve it. Now go to delivery and select your location. There is a problem. I don't know what the problem is here, but maybe it's because it's an unsupported country. But yeah, you could do it, then double click on your side button, approve with your Face ID or passcode, and then it'll pay with the card selected here that you can also change by clicking here. And if you don't know how to add your card to Apple Pay, there is a video on it. And that basically adds you, lets you pay, right? But I'm gonna just enter the details manually, and then I'm gonna show you a payment method that is not the express checkout, just standard checkout. And you can see after entering all the details, Apple Pay is still available here, but now I entered all the details manually instead of using express checkout, and I could also select it here, and then click on submit payment, and now just double click with side button to just pay without entering all the other details. So that's basically how it works, and I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.